This is the APPLLP4 Pro, one of the very first Android 11-based Android smartwatches. Lots of controls here. You have Do Not Disturb, your overall brightness, location, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, as well as airplane mode and cellular. Yeah, you got this special system mode for longer power if you switch from 4G mode to sports mode, which restricts what you can do with the watch. You also have a little cleanup display right there. When you go this way, you get notifications pushed from your phone. You've got your step count for the day, a music player, and overall weather in your area. Once you're connected to the internet, can download your location. Here is your app drawer with your phone contacts and messages from the SIM card you install in here. It'll do a 4G SIM. Settings is overall Android 11, and you have heart rate, blood oxygen, last night's sleep time, and breath training. All new biometric activities to Android watches. The basic browser, 2 cameras, one in the front, one on the side, a gallery to see your pictures. You got a basic calendar, alarm clock, the music player, a little voice recorder built into it, overall file manager to move things around. You've got 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage in this model. Weather in your area, the overall fitness, which you can tie to GPS built into the watch as well, so you can see your tracks. Overall desktop settings, themes, all the Google stuff you want, your standard basic Google, the Google Play Store to install third-party apps, and of course it includes Google Maps as well, show you exactly where you are. Yeah, optimization for the phone or for the watch, an overall watch face store for the different faces that you can install. You got an app store that'll install a few fun things like a flashlight. We'll show you that in a second. A assistant. This is where you tie into the GoFit Tethering app. Transfer all your data over. This does not come with it, but it's side-loaded, which means you can connect it to your computer and put APKs or applications into the device. This is not in the Google Play Store, but if you check my listings, you'll find out how to get a hold of it. This is the flashlight that I said you could download. And just to show you, a simple little thing, you can turn it on and off right here. That comes with the watch, of course, as well. In the last section here, you've got your fitness activities. You can select any of these that you'd like to engage in, jump into it, and get started getting fit. All in all, it's a really nice watch. You've got, like I said, multiple watch faces. It's relatively thin compared to some of the previous editions. Nicely sealed, speaker, microphone all over on it. A nice rubberized band. It is the APPLLP4 Pro Android 11 smartwatch. Check it out.